Hi, it's Dia. Today I'm going to do a quickie flip through of my newest coloring book called The Buns. This is the intro page, tells a little story about the buns, and it talks about my other coloring books. And the next page is the copyright page. You can also color it, but obviously not necessary. This book has 20 images to color, 2 info pages, and a lot of little tiny bunnies. Some of them you can't even see at first blush. This page is called Big Bun, Little Bun, and as you can see, each of the 20 images in this book is featured twice. So you can do 2 different versions, experiment on one before your final, or you can cut out and share. Ooh, I almost forgot. The cover of the Amazon version of this book was colored by Claire Holloway, and the premium artist version that is currently on pre-sale and coming soon on Etsy was colored by Rhonda Francis. And you can find the buns on sale at the Bunny Museum in Altadena, California, and I will put the link below for you. That's Dandelion Dance, and I do want to tell you every image is done in very fine and delicate lines, which is different from most coloring books that have thicker black lines. These are done in black ink, but they're slightly muted looking because they are so thin. This version is also printed, this version is printed on CreateSpace paper. All of the info that I just told you about the descriptions of the book are on the Amazon description also, so if you forget, you can check that out. Now, some of these buns are very tiny, and once again, you might have to look for them. The book is called The Buns because each image includes at least one tiny bun. These little guys are 1 inch tall, wish-granting little buggers that can run over 200 miles an hour. Some say they don't exist, others disagree. Every single image in here is suitable for every type of coloring fan and bunny fan of all ages. Some of the images are intricate and detailed, and they might be a little bit too complex for very young, but my books are created for the young at heart. And images like this one can be done by the youngest kid, so you can draw together. I should say color together. One more bit of info about the fine lines. I do make the lines light and delicate because I want them to sort of dissolve into the background and become part of the image rather than stand out and be part of the image themselves. Meaning I want your coloring to show up, not the black lines. Now, there are also a couple things in the background the buns love and the buns are afraid of, and you can check that out when you get the book. And there's 2 pages of labels that you can cut and color. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you like my new book, The Buns. Thank you so much for watching. You can get the buns on Amazon, on Etsy at Art by Dia in digital form, in pink, where all the images are outlined in raspberry red, and the artist premium version printed on 110-pound smooth cardstock on pre-order, also on Etsy. You can find the link below for my Facebook group. I'd love to have you join, and also the link to kindly ask Amazon and CreateSpace for better paper for all of us. Thank you again. I'm so glad you're here. So bye-bye. I will see you soon. Oh, coming soon, coloring from the pink version. See you later. Bye. Thank you, Rhonda Francis, Kim Henderson, Laura King, and Penny Kunkel. I hope I said your name right, for coloring these gorgeous images featured at the end of this video. And stay tuned. There will be more of you featured at the end of my videos because there's so many of you doing such gorgeous work. Thank you all so much. Mwah! I will see you soon. Bye.